Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss the properties of triangles. Cosine rule we are discussing. In the previous session, we discussed sine rule proof. In this episode, we are going to discuss cosine rule and their three cases. First, you have to write the statement of cosine rule. In triangle ABC, a square equal to small a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos capital A. Here capital A means angle. Similarly, small b square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b. Small c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. This is the statement of cosine rule. We will discuss the proof of cosine rule in three cases. In the case 1, consider a triangle A, B and C. Here on BC side you draw the projection from a point A. Draw a projection from a point A. So here D is the projection of A on BC. You have to mention there. Let D be the projection of A on the side BC. In this case 1, suppose B is an acute angle. Here we observe that it is less than 90 degrees. Suppose in the sine rule we have taken A is acute, obtuse and right angle. In this case I am taking B angle. Suppose B is an acute angle. If it is an acute angle, from triangle ABD, from triangle ABD, cos B equal to cos B. Cos B means adjacent side by hypotenuse. From the figure we will get BD divided by AB. In the previous session we discussed that the length side AB means small c. The length side AB AC means small b. The length side BC means small a. So from that we will write it as BD divided by AB value is C. So from this cross multiplying we will get the value. So small c into cos B is equal to BD. This is the value of BD. We will keep like this. After that, from triangle ADC. It is a right angle triangle now here also. So Pythagoras theorem, if you apply, AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. After that, here, since triangle ABD is also a right angle triangle, here from triangle ABD we have AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. From this, AD square make as a subject, you will get AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. This result we will use in the coming steps. So come to here, AC means what? AC means here small b. So small b square is equal to AD square. In place of AD square, you have to write AB square minus BD square. So AB square minus BD square plus DC. That DC can be written as from the figure DC equal to BC minus BD. So DC square means BC minus BD whole square. So that implies that B square is equal to AB square. What is AB? Small c square minus BD square. There is no value. Plus A minus B whole square expansion, you have to do that. BC square plus BD square minus 2BC into BD. Here minus BD square plus BD square get cancelled. After that, B square is equal to C square. BC value is what? Small a. So plus small a square minus 2 into BC means small a into BD value. We got it now here, BD value C into cos B. So C into cos B. Therefore, in case of the angle B is an acute, we got the value B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2CA or AC cos B. In case of B is acute angle, we got that proof of cosine rule. Now we will discuss the second case, case 2. In case 2, we are going to assume that suppose the B is a right angle. Suppose capital B is a right angle. So whenever it is the right angle, from ABC, from triangle ABC, see, observe the figure. This is A, this is B, this is C. Here angle B is right angled. Here we already mentioned that right angle. And BC is, we know that it is small a, AC is small b, and AB means small c. So whenever it is right angled triangle, we have formula from this Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC means B square is equal to AB means small c square plus BC means small a square. So after that, can we write like this? B square equal to c square plus a square minus 0. Can we write like this? There is no change in this. No, according to convenience we are writing, and to get the answer also. So B square is equal to c square plus a square. Even if you write 2ca into 0, no problem at all. Anyway, the meaning is 0. After that, in place of 0, I am going to write cos B. B means what here? Right angle now. B square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca into cos B. Since B is right angle here, 90 degrees, therefore cos B is equal to 90 degrees. Hence, we proved in this case. Before going to do that, writing cos B, cos pi by 2 write it. After that, B square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca into, in place of cos pi by 2, you have to write 90 degrees. Hence, prove that in case of angle B is right angle in the cosine rule. Now, we are discussing that case 3. In case 3, the angle, suppose the angle B is an obtuse angle. Suppose B is an obtuse angle. So according to that, you can draw the figure. So here B is, now if you observe that this is more than 90 only, no? C and A. We know that AC equal to small b. We will write with a different pen. This is small b. BC means small a. B means small c. And from A, you draw one perpendicular and produce to the side BC. Here the point D. D is perpendicular from A. And here it is, by observing, here it is right angle. From triangle ADB, it is a right angle triangle, no? So we can write it as AB square equal to AD square plus BC square. We'll keep it like this. After that, this is completely straight angle, therefore it contains 180. So if you want to get B value, B angle, it is 180 minus B. So from triangle ABD, from triangle ABD, angle ABD is equal to 180 minus angle B. This is total, it is straight angle. In this, from here to here it is B, so here total it is 180. In that B, this angle we are subtracting, so 180 minus B. Taking cos on both sides, so cos of angle ABD is equal to cos of 180 minus B. So cos of AB by D means, from this, from right angle triangle ADB, cos B here angle ABD means cos B. Cos B means adjacent side by hypotenuse. So from the figure, it is equal to BD divided by AB, which is equal to cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So minus cos B. BD divided by AB means what? Small c, which is equal to minus cos B. So cross multiply, BD equal to minus c into cos B. This is the value of BD. After getting the value of BD, again you have to consider triangle ABD and write the Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to AD square plus BC square, and not BC square ma here, AD square plus BD square. It's not BC, it is BD. From triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. From this, you make as a subject AD square. So AD square equal to AB square minus BD square. You keep in bracket this one. This result we will use in the coming steps. After getting the value of AD square, now triangle ADC you can consider. From triangle, this is in triangle, from triangle ADC, here I already explained that D is perpendicular drawn from A. Here D is perpendicular drawn from A, and it was produced to BC side. From triangle ADC, again Pythagoras theorem you have to apply. At D it is right angle clearly from this figure. AD square, hypotenuse square is AC square now. AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AC square equal to AD square, we got it here box value, that is the reason I wrote previously. AB square minus BD square plus DC square. DC can be written as from figure, DC is equal to DB plus BC. So it will becomes DB plus BC whole square. After that you have to expand. AC square equal to AB square minus BD square. Here A plus B whole square expansion, DB square plus BC square plus 2DB into BC. Here minus BD square plus BD square will be cancelled. After that, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into DB or BD. So AC square, AC value is what from here? B square is equal to AB value is C square plus BC value is A square plus 2 into BC means small a. In place of DB or BD, both are same, minus C cos B, that we have to replace here, minus C into cos B. Therefore, B square equal to C square plus A square, minus into plus is minus 2AC into cos B. Hence, in the third case also, the cosine rule we proved that. So therefore, B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC into cos B. Hence, proved. Similarly, we can prove that we proved B square only, no? So remaining a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a and c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos c. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you.